Hey guys, it's Jeremy with Speak Gear, and I'm out on the water. It is May 15th, and I got a new toy this spring that I have not been able to test during ice fishing season, but I want to try it out on the boat. What I got is the Garmin Livescope LVS34 Plus bundle from Shields this spring, and this is gonna hopefully change my life in the ice fishing world, but I want to try it on the boat too. I want to be able to use it on the boat and on the ice. So I've brought it out here today and I'm gonna try it out. My plan is to set this up on the trolling motor, and I bought a barrel mount from Garmin to do that. So I will show you that, and we'll get it in the water and test it. Let's go. So this trolling motor really has only one mounting option. Garmin has a mount for the trolling motor shaft, but this shaft on this particular motor goes up and down, slides through that part of the unit, and it doesn't allow for anything to be mounted on the shaft. So what I did is I mounted it on it's called the barrel of the trolling motor. You'll also notice that the way this trolling motor sits in its cradle, it will only allow the LVS34 transducer to be mounted on one side. I can't mount it on the other side. It'll sit in the cradle, it'll hit the cradle. So I have to mount it on this side, and this is the side I chose. Basically, it's just a standard clamp, pipe clamp, and that just goes right on there. So anyways, we'll hook up the transducer. So this is the front of the transducer, and there are 3 different settings with the transducer. You can have it tipped up like this, which is forward mode, flat like this, which is down mode, and then you can also turn it sideways for perspective mode, which is designed for shallow water. I'll be using forward mode primarily in the boat, and probably mix between forward and down on the ice. There are 3 marks here that will help you know which mode you're in as well. This mark is for forward mode, and this would be for down mode, and this would be probably if it was spun the other direction. So this is how I would set this all up if I was fishing up in the front of my boat. I'll set the unit down inside the bow when I'm traveling. But anyways, I basically just have this cord wrapped safely out of the way of that trolling motor. And so far, Seems to be working. Whichever direction my trolling motor points is the way the Livescope is looking. This is what the Livescope screen looks like. Tells me I'm at 36 feet. Whichever way I point this trolling motor, it's going to move my Livescope. That's pretty cool. This obviously is basically where my trolling motor is. So we're looking forward and slightly backwards. I think there's a salmon thing going on out here this weekend. And those might be salmon. Anyways, there's definitely a fish swimming right down here. Pretty cool. And that's how I set up my Garmin LVS Livescope 34 Plus for use in the boat. Hey, thanks for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have a whole bunch of videos, fishing, hunting, outdoors, all sorts of things that you would probably like. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you next time.